to our PBIS assembly. First thing on the list will be the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
You guys all did a great job saying the pledge. We're going to start out today with what song, Peter Panther? Our hello song.
Hello, hello, Hello. It's wonderful to see your face again. Hello, hello, in case you didn't know, it's super nice to have you as my friend. The wind might blow, it may rain or sleet or snow. You never know just what the sky might do. Whatever kind of day, everything is A-okay, 'cause it brought together me and you.
Have a banana.
Hello,
Hello.
hello,
Hello.
Hello, I-L-O-V-E-Y-O-U. It may rain or sleet or snow. You never know just what the sky might do. Whatever kind of day, everything is A-okay, 'cause it brought together me and you.
Have a banana.
Hello,
Hello.
hello,
Hello.
Hello, I-L-O-V-E-Y-O-U. I love you.
Next, we're going to hear from our cheer team. This year, we have a special cheer team made up of our staff here at Glen Peters. What cheer should they do, Peter Panther? Yeah, we are the Panthers. Woo! Let's hear it, mighty, mighty Panthers. We always like a good cheer from our Peter staff. Our next song for our PBIS assembly will be a Peter Panther's favorite. What is it? Boom, chicka boom.
I said a boom, chicka boom. I said a boom, chicka boom. I said a boom, chicka boom. I said a boom, chicka rocket, chicka boom. I said a boom, chicka rocket, chicka boom. Uh-huh. Oh yeah. One more time. Baby style. I said a boom, chicka boom. 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 I said a boom, chicka rocket, chicka boom. I said a boom, chicka rocket, chicka boom. Wow, goo. One more time. Cowboy style. I said a boom, chicka boom. I said a boom, chicka boom. I said a boom, chicka ropa, chicka boom. Yahoo! Yeehaw! One more time. Motorcycle style. I said a vroom, chicka vroom. I said a vroom, chicka vroom. I said a vroom, chicka rocket, chicka boom. I said a boom, chicka rocka, chicka boom. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. One more time. One more time. Underwater slide, boom, chicka boom. I said a 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 boom, chicka rocka, chicka boom. I said a boom, chicka rocka, chicka boom. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. All right. One more time. One more time. This time, get me out of the water. This river broke around here somewhere. That's very good.
Great job singing Boom Chicka Boom. Our next song's a new one to kick off our new PBIS theme about feelings. We're going to sing the Feelings song.
I'm a scribble spot. I'm a rainbow of colors, all in one dot. If I get tangled, I know what to do. Spot my feelings and name them too. So many feelings just swirling around. So many feelings that can be found. I practice all the time, I practice every day. When my feelings show up, I want to know what to say. I'm feeling yellow, yellow and happy. Woohoo! You can see it on my face. I'm feeling red, red and frustrated. I just need some space. I'm feeling sad, sad and blue by what you just said. Boo-hoo-hoo. I'm feeling pink, pink and loved by the note I just read. Oh, thank you. That's so kind. I'm a scribble spot. I'm a rainbow of colors, all in one dot. If I get tangled, I know what to do. Spot my feelings and name them too. How are you feeling? I'm feeling peaceful and green, the way I like to be. I'm feeling orange and confident, I believe in me. I'm feeling grey and worried, I'm not sure, I'm scared. So many emotions, but I feel prepared. Because when I get a feeling, I just say its name. Can you name your feeling too? Can you do the same? I'm a scribble spot. I'm a rainbow of colors, all in one dot. If I get tangled, I know what to do. Spot my feelings and name them.
Wow, what a great song. Our next thing is going to be our social story of the month.
Hello, Peters Panthers. This is Miss Deanna, and I'm the school social worker here at Peters. And today I am going to read to you A Little Scribble Spot. It's written and illustrated by Diane Alber. This is Scribble Spot, and he doesn't look like he's feeling well. Oh no, Scribble Spot is all tangled up with emotions again. Don't worry, we can help. It's healthy to experience emotions. But when they get all jumbled up together, it's hard to know exactly how you are feeling, and that can make you feel frustrated or confused. Try separating your emotions out like this, so they will be easier to identify and manage. Then you can go through them one by one. Let us show you. Sometimes the spots have a hard time saying how they feel, so you may see them express their emotions in scribble art too. The green spot is called peaceful. It shows up when you are feeling relaxed and calm. Peaceful spot scribbles trees and vines. The blue spot is called sadness. It shows up when you are feeling upset, disappointed, or if you've experienced loss. Sadness spot scribbles gloomy clouds and teardrops. This yellow spot is called happiness. It shows up when you are feeling joy. Happiness spot scribbles sunshine and flowers. This gray spot is called anxiety. It shows up when you are feeling worried or scared. Anxiety spot scribbles nothing. He was worried it wasn't going to look good. This orange spot is called confidence. It shows up when you believe in yourself. Confidence spot scribbles strength and determination. This red spot is called anger. It shows up when you are feeling frustrated or afraid or hurt. Angry spot scribbles chaos. That should be it, Scribble Spot. How do you feel now? Wait, where are you going? I can't believe we forgot love. Love is made up of so many feelings and emotions. You experience love when someone cares about you or you care about them a lot. Love spot scribbles hearts. Scribble Spot, you are not tangled up anymore. See, don't you feel so much better? Scribble Spot scribbles a rainbow. How do you feel? Now grab a piece of paper and some crayons and scribble your emotions.
So now it's time to celebrate our Students of the Month. Peter Panther, show everybody what kind of certificate they're going to get. I hope you all had a great time today at our PBIS assembly, and it's that time again. We're gonna say goodbye.
Had a lot of fun dancing in the sun. Never once complained in the middle of the rain. So now it's time to say, see you later, alligator, and a wild crocodile, till we meet again, my amigo friend. Oh, we had a lot of fun.
Oh, we had a lot of fun.
Dancing in the sun.
Dancing in the sun.
Never once complained.
Never once complained.
In the middle of the rain.
In the middle of the rain.
So now it's time to say, see you later, alligator, and a wild crocodile, till we meet again, my amigo friend. Yada-da-da, till we meet again, my amigo friend. One more time, I hope to see you soon. Yeah, big hairy baboon.